My shit has been on mute. We're looking for shorts today. Market's been open for over a minute now, but we're looking for shorts today, wanting this volume balance to get filled. Basically, what I was saying. ES is a lot lower. Nasdaq is just relatively. So we have a pretty big gap between Wednesday low and the volume imbalance high on Nasdaq. On ES, Wednesday low and the volume imbalance high is a little bit more doable. So if I'm going to short anything, I want to short ES just because that's going to be our leading index. Just to target that. There's not really an SMT that's holding that up. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. So just got to be patient. Just got to be patient. Let the market give us a setup. I'm not too set on taking a trade today. This week has been pretty good. As you guys saw Monday and Tuesday, I took a winning trade. Yesterday, I didn't record anything. I just watched the market and I still put down a winning trade. Let me see if I can find it. It was a long, it was somewhere in here. Basically, I just logged it up to here. Got a quick little 1 to 2. I didn't put any money on it. I just marked it on there because I didn't want to place any trades yesterday with all the news and the earnings that came out. Today we don't have any government news coming out really, but we did have this meeting between U.S. and China. I believe this everything I'm reading so far is saying the meeting's already done. It came out that the U.S. would reduce by 10% on the existing tariffs, so that should be bullish. Um, but I think we already priced that stuff in with this gap here. There was a lot of optimism coming into the week with all the earnings, interest rate cuts, everything. So I think we're a little bit inflated here. So look for the retrace here, which looks like what we're getting. But obviously, we want to see a little bit of a retrace, a sweep of some type of sell side or buy side liquidity before I get into the market. So that's what we're looking for. Today we got sparkling snowball frost. This is the other flavor. This is the new flavor. Yeah. And then once I um once I get a couple more winning trades, I'm gonna try to get a face cam and a mic. So hopefully this stuff will sound better. Quality will go up a little bit. It should be a little bit better for you. Chair squeaky. My chair is squeaky. I really would like if we did hit this Wednesday low and just trade it higher right now and put in some type of SMT, but I don't think that's what we're gonna get. Oh wait. Took out Wednesday low on both indexes. I already have it noted. If this gets filled, this volume imbalance gets filled, I'm done trading for the day. So this might be a short one. We just rip right to it. These highs are looking clean too, but we're not looking for longs today. I guess while this is moving, I can go over why I'm looking for shorts. Um, yo, we had this daily candle here. Yesterday's daily candle. It's hard to tell, but we took out the high and then traded lower and then retraced up. So this is a bearish because we closed or we took out the high and then failed to close above. So this gives me a bearish bias targeting a Wednesday low. It was already smacked like butter, like butter. And also we got a large unbalanced price range right here that we were bound to fill sometime. Honestly, surprised we didn't do it on Wednesday. But it's looking like we're not gonna get no type of entry for that. What if we just like came down and made like equal lows and then just retraced, swept sell or swept buy side, put it at S&T, got a retracement, scaled down to 1 minute, wait for that 1 minute break of structure, and then just short the shit out of it. That's what we're looking for, ideally. Because we can do this as well. Crypto is shitting, absolutely shitting itself right now. Yeesh. Yikes. Yikes. Yikes! My XRP yesterday was the only shit that was up. Not, not no more. I got Ruby Mango. Get your stretches in. Get some yoga going. Okay, we're retracing a tiny little bit. A little bit. We're getting a little bit of a wick. Also, something I want to look out for is TJR's P&L from yesterday. He said he was down like 400K. He's down like 400K on the month. He said he was just gonna short the shit out of FOMC, and I mean we gotta move, but it wasn't nothing. Like if he got that 1 5 minute candle, that's really all he could have got. So I definitely want to see how he's doing right now. So if we retrace here, this is going to be sort of the high I'm looking for. I guess let's clean this up. Those. Take this. Here we go. I'm really starting to think that this caffeine just like makes me go to the bathroom because I got a diet right now. Oh, yeah. Okay, desk is going back down. It's time to lock in. It's time to lock in. We're getting that retracement. We're getting the equal lows. It's looking beautiful. Honestly, looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. We just need the sell side sweep or buy side sweep. I don't know why I keep saying that. We need to sweep buy side. Wouldn't that just be an absolute pain in the ass if we just took down the volume imbalance? Like I said, I already defined what I wanted to see, and I said it at 9:30 something. I want equal lows here, which is what we're getting. I want to retrace higher, which is what we're getting. I wanted to take out sell or I wanted to take out buy side liquidity, which is what we're waiting for. Once it does that, I need a confirmation confluence, which will hopefully be a SMT. If there's a SMT where ES is the weaker one, that would be ideal. Take the SMT, start to get displacement lower, slight retrace back into either a fair value gap or equilibrium. Then scale down to the 1 minute. Make sure structure on the 1 minute is bullish. It gets retail on the wrong side, which allows me to get on the right side the next break. So whenever there's a break in structure, the downside on the 1 minute. All right, we back. Low key, I clicked the wrong button, but the maintenance dude came in. I tried to just pause the recording, but I accidentally stopped it. So honestly, I probably should have just muted. That was stupid. But we're getting a retracement. Look at the sell side to get taken. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. Damn. Honestly, I kind of want to see Nasdaq take out this high, not ES. I mean, it doesn't really matter if ES. I gotta. We're waiting. I already told you what we waiting for. Just watch it for me and wait with me. I'm about to go pee, but just wait. Just wait with me. I'll be right back. There we go. That's a strong ass move. So what almost looks like what happened is we'll get the SMT, but it looks like Nasdaq might be the leading index for shorts for a little bit. But then I think once we get down to the 1 minute part of our execution, I think we'll see a 1 minute SMT between Nasdaq and ES, where ES is the weaker one. So I'm not tripping about it too hard, but about to get that sweep. Again, I want to see ES be the weaker one. Well, I want to short it on ES because ES is relatively weaker. So you see we're a lot closer to this volume imbalance on ES than Nasdaq. So Nasdaq still has this pretty large gap. ES, not so much. But we took out the high. That's what? Step two or step three of my prediction. Retail be buying the shit out of this. And we're in the macro right now. So ideally, this candle closes bullish. And the next candle closes bearish. We need a little bullish, bearish, bullish. The Nasdaq staying below here. ES is already taken it out. This will be the next 5 minutes. Ideally, we wouldn't see these highs even get close to getting touched. Well, we can mark them out just in case. Right as I said that, we're gonna get that. Um, just waiting for it to flip. Please don't leave equal highs. Thank you. Thank you. Nasdaq takes us out. This is still fine. Obviously, actually, this is probably more ideal because both indexes sweep liquidity. As long as we just don't push much higher, should be good. Plus, we probably just got into the premium. Yep. As long as we don't trade above this, we're chilling. That's what we like to see. Precision. Oh, and we gotta wait another 4 minutes and 43 seconds for this candle to close. I'm gonna take this off because this is just taking up space on the chart. Golly. XRP dropped 7.5% in the last 24 hours. Down 4% on the day. I need to get off my phone. Get off of my phone. If I'm not gonna lie, if Bitcoin goes under 100,000, I'm putting more money into it. If Bitcoin goes under 100,000, I'm buying probably Solana, XRP, and I'll probably put some in Ethereum as well. I'll probably stay out of Bitcoin, but use Bitcoin sort of as the driver. We're getting what we like to see, though. This is what we want. We just gotta stay down here for another 2 minutes. God damn it. My rubber band broke. So while I'm waiting for this to play out, my idea for the channel is I'll continue to do these where I'm recording my trades. And then I'm thinking like for later on in the day, like I can live stream me back testing or me going over the trade for the day. So that if you guys have any questions or if you guys want to ask any questions or if you want to just back test, then you can come in and join whatever, ask questions, do whatever. But I think that's what I'm gonna start doing. Is recording these and then the PM I'll start streaming, but I gotta see because I'm on my laptop right now, which is why everything's so like ass. I guess it's not ass, but the camera is slow and everything because I'm using my laptop camera. So we'll see if my laptop can handle trading. That's probably what we'll do. If not, I'll have to wait until I get a PC to start streaming. But at one point, I want to start streaming my back testing. So that is not the reaction we want out of this. Like, not at all. Like, why would you do that? That's kind of fucked up. Don't you think that's a little bit messed up? Be very interested to see where this candle closes. See, now it's no longer an SMT. I'll play this. I think we just are gonna need another confirmation confluence. Because the SMT is technically violated now. But if Yeah, I think we're just gonna need another. I still like the idea. The idea is not violated. It's just the SMT is violated. So we would just have to go off of a different confirmation confluence. And honestly, if we close below this little 5 minute fair value gap, that'll be enough right there. We want this to be violated, not trade higher. I said violated. Violated, not respected, violated. Especially as we're getting to the end of the macro. I don't know how much I like this. So that's a good sign. Yeah. Yeah. It's really fucking with me now. Really? I'm with me. So now I can consider this a violated gap because we technically closed under, but I don't think so. I guess we'll watch it though. 1 minute structure hasn't broke bullish. It broke bearish. Haven't broke bullish though. Damn, this is looking like a good long setup. I'm just not gonna take it though. But it is looking like a long. I'm not taking it because it's not within my bias, but definitely looks like longs might be the move here. But we just didn't. I know this is giving me hope. Guess we can start to map this out a little bit. Really, I don't want to risk too much on this. You never broke structure to the downside. I just don't like this. I don't like it. We never really got a confirmation confluence to the downside, which is why I'm hesitant. Because this SMT technically got violated by that. You're never gonna break a structure. Closed and opened right at the bottom of this fair value gap. So it didn't really violate it. NASDAQ were still within the fair value gap. And we're outside of the macro. It's just not adding up. Now, if this candle closes bearish and we can break structure to the upside by trading above that high, that would be asking a lot. I gotta take a piss. I'll be right back. So we got the high here. So if we just trade above this, I guess we should be good. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a trade today. I'm looking for shorts and the market's just respecting longs. The crazy part is that's still not a break of structure, technically, because we didn't close above it. We did on NASDAQ. Getting exactly what I wanted. I just don't like the fact that we keep respecting these bullish fair value gaps. To break a structure to the downside, yeah. Break a structure to the downside, but we still didn't have a breakup structure to the upside. And we still don't have a 5 minute confirmation yet. Maybe we will in the next minute or so. Might be a 10:30 type of move. Like we're respecting the gap, but we're not trading higher, which is why I'm still looking at this. It's like we're respecting it, but we're not respecting it at the same time. Definitely gonna be interesting where this candle closes. So if we close bearish like this, the 5 minute will give us that confirmation. And then if we retrace higher, this would be a breakup structure here. And we can probably look for an SMT around that high too. Okay, so if we do close there, we get that 5 minute break, 5 minute inverse for value gap. Now We just need a retrace again, but this time like a real retrace. I'm gonna keep this until the 5 minute candle closes. Again, even though 5 minute is showing ES as the stronger index, ES is still relatively weaker. So I want this to close above. This will give us a break of structure to the upside. A bunch of retail traders, they're going to be buying that. Looks like we gotta wait another minute. Boy, oh boy, oh. Just keep moving this along the timeline. I want to have a 6 point stop. 6 point stop allows me to trade two contracts within my risk program. Oh, I can't believe it. We did get a bearish S&P. I don't like this on NASDAQ. I don't like it on NASDAQ at all, actually. I think I'll be okay with entering this once if we form a fair value gap here. I needed two contracts. Let's make that 2. We got a 6 point. TP1 here. There we go. What we're looking for. Entered on the formation of that. Hopefully the 1030 move does not stop me out. We're going to move this down a little bit. We're going to adjust, reduce risk, 5-point stop, insurance. This can go up as well. That's what we like to see. Just don't get excited because it will probably retrace. Well, the 930 move or the 1030 move stopped us out. And down $55 on the day. I'm getting off of here and I'm getting my ass to work because trading's not it today. God damn it. If this goes in my direction, I'm gonna be pissed because I got stopped out because I moved my stop down. Okay, that makes me feel better. That would have stopped me out. Anyways, so yeah, probably shouldn't have took this. 1 minute structure never broke. Loki does look like a beautiful long setup if the bias was there. Sweet. Put higher, retrace, back to equilibrium, back to fair value gap. Now we're pushing higher. Makes sense why we get long. Just fucking stupid on my part.